This is the Easy Yelper. As far as difficulty, this is by far the simplest call to learn how to use. It's nothing more than a piece of wood here that you're going to put some chalk on, and there's just a small little piece of wood there that's your striker. It's got this little spring in here, so all you have to do is press that spring down into the call. Or you can do cuts. The other thing that's nice about these is you'll notice that there's these two brackets. Those can go on the gun barrel, and then you can use this string to hold back by you as the turkey's coming in, and you can pull the string to get the same call. You can also do purrs on this by just slowly